Am I audible?
Yes, please go ahead. Go ahead.
So basically, memory is neither bad nor it is good. The people who say my memory is good, they are wrong. The people who say the memory is bad, they are wrong. It's either trained or it's untrained. We need three things to train our memory. The three laws of memory, which are IOC. I stands for imagination, O for observation, C for concentration. Now, if you are a business person, you may say IOC is Indian Oil Corporation, but that's wrong. It's imagination, observation, concentration. There's a misconception that as you grow older, you are now losing your memory. That is wrong. I can say as you grow older, if you have the right tips, the right techniques, your memory can increase. It can become better and better. It will not become bad, but it can improve. Imagination is creativity. Everyone knows about the example of Newton, the apple falling down in the garden. But he was the only one who saw and he thought about it, and gravity came in force. So be as imaginative, be as creative as you can. O is observation. If I ask somebody, say a boy is here, Amit, and I ask him to say, spell your name, spell it. He would say AMIT. He is wrong. When I say spell it, it is IT. So it's observation. आप अपना observation कितना इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो, that is important. See, as we are speaking about yoga, sir, as you know, yoga helps immensely in concentration. तो ये चीज़ें अगर आप involve करें अपनी day to day life में, तो आप अपनी memory कभी भी खो नहीं सकते हो और कभी हमेशा उसको improve कर ही सकते हो. Sir did not tell, I will say, when I was in 9th, 10th, I was failing in maths. My mother took me to him at Keviladam. Yeah, I started learning yoga. Sir helped a lot and then I improved a lot. So, I was not born with a good memory. Some people say you are born with a photogenic memory. आप कभी भी कुछ नहीं भूल सकते हो. Fine, होता. मैं ऐसा नहीं था. I was failing in maths. 9th तक मुझे 10-20 के पाड़े नहीं आते थे. Today I have learned till 1 crore. Even I'll show a table trick in some time. So the point is, you can develop your memory at any age. The right manner, right things are needed. One thing, if students are watching our show right now, we mug up things. Ratta manna jisko kehte hain. That is wrong. Never mug up anything. Try to associate. Try to use the link system. Try to use action series. If you have to learn the 5 trees of London, it's oak, beech, chestnut, elm, maple. Now, if you have to use actions, oak is a tall tree. Okay, if so, raise your hand and say oak. Beech, as we know, beech is normally down. Let's go down. It's beech. So we remember that way. Oak, beech. Now, if I'm learning this, after doing 1 and 2, I'll even immediately do ulta. I'll do beech and oak. So it becomes easier to remember. Then comes chestnut. Chestnut is hitting your chest. Chestnut. Then comes elm, ELM, to the eye. Touch your eye, L. And the last thing is maple. You are pushing somebody. Maple. कितना आसान हो गया ना. If you have to go ulta. Maple, elm, chestnut, beech, oak. So it's so easy. If you take an interest, you can learn so many things. As sir said, the lockdown में कितना सीखने को मिला. परेशानी बहुत हुई है, लेकिन अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी आई है. अपना माइंड अलग तरीके से देखने का हमें मौका मिला है. So let's make good use of it. Let's think that this is a passing phase which will go away soon and a lot of good things are in store. A positive person always has a good memory. If I am a negative person, nahi, mujhe yaad nahi rehta, I'm bad. I'm telling myself that I cannot remember, then I will not remember. But if I am positive, I will always remember. Memory ke saath, we have to also speak about maths. So I would like to first show a small easy trick with the audience. Yeah, on the chat box, can anyone give me a 2-digit number or shall I myself give, sir?
You go ahead, Minu.
Okay, so, and even others later can give a number. Suppose if I want 36, we can see 36 here. I'm multiplying a 2-digit number with 11. So, how do I do this? All I do is, I write this number again. 3 and 6. I left some space. What is 3 plus 6? 9. This is the answer. So we can do calculations in a very easy manner. Suppose if I want to do 55 into 55. You may say, oh my God, I don't know so many squares. How will I learn this? It's so easy. When we have a same number ending with 5, what we do is What is 5 5s are? 25. First number we circle. First number is 5. After 5 comes 6. 5 6 is 30. And we have the answer 3025. So, Vedic maths, calculations, etc. play a big role. A person who is somewhat good in maths will probably be good in memory. A person who is good in memory may not be good in maths for the simple reason that he may have a dislike for maths or a phobia for maths. So phobia kabhi bhi rakna hi nahi chahiye. Neither for maths, nor for memory, nor for anything. Yoga plays a big role, as Sir said, of these asanas, etc. You should do them really very often, every day, or at least 5-6 times a week, and it really makes a big difference. जैसे कि शवासन है, ब्रह्म मुद्रा है, so many asanas, pranayams, they all play a big role. Okay, and they really make you better. Now, the tables are the backbone of maths. I'll ask Sir to give me a 3-digit number.
Okay, 597.
Okay, Sir, you can use the calculator, but I'm going to beat the calculator. I'll be faster. 597 1s are 597, 2s are 1994, 3s are 1791, 4s are 2394, 5s are 2985, 6s are 3582, then 7s are is 4979, then 8s are is 4636, then 9s are is 5391, and 10s are is 5970. Now,
Okay.
you saw me doing this in front of you. There was no calculator.
Yeah.
I couldn't have mugged up this table. Tables mug up nahi karna chahiye. They can be learned easily through tricks. Okay, but right now we are not doing a show where a lot of children or audience are facing us. Otherwise, I would ask them to give a 2-digit number. So I'll myself give. If I have to learn a table of say 19, how do I do it? I see here this is 19. So 9 ke niche aayega 8. So I'm writing here 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 1 is a odd number. The next odd number is 3. Then comes 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. That's it. You could have marked up this table, but after a while you would have definitely forgotten. But by doing it in this way, you will remember it for a long, long time, maybe forever. Very important in memory is don't just learn for some time, but retain that information. Retaining is very important. Now, for retention, there are 5 things. That is ICVAR. I stands for intelligence. Everyone has intelligence, but everyone doesn't use their intelligence properly. Need to use our intelligence to good effect. C stands for confidence. Have confidence in yourself. I had no confidence in myself years ago. Then I started adding bus numbers, car numbers, things like that. My mother installed confidence in me. You helped me a lot. And that's how confidence came. Confidence will come when you are ready to fail. People fail in something and they say, no, it's not my cup of tea. I can't do it. I give up. I quit. That is wrong. Never quit. You'll fail once, you'll fail twice, you'll fail thrice, you'll fail 10 times. After that, you will start succeeding. So confidence has to be in you. V and A. V is visualization. A is association. Visualize and associate the matter. Don't mug up. Mugging up will not help you. For some time you'll remember, then you will forget. And when you're remembering for some time also, you'll be under stress. You'll not be in a good frame of mind. You'll be tensed. But by associating, you are enjoying your work. You can remember instead of 10 things, 20, instead of 20, 30 and so on. And very important in the end are repetition. Can you tell me, sir, in how much time you have to repeat anything that you want to learn?
I think every hour or two.
Okay, not more. Every hour or two is good, but it may be difficult.
We have to learn from you, Meenu.
Okay.
You go ahead, give us the right
Okay, we need 8 hours. Anything has to be revised within 8 hours. 8 hours में एक revision किया, 8 hours, बाद में 8 hours में दूसरा किया, तीसरा किया, and then you may remember it for a long time, probably forever. So 8 hours revision is very important. As you said, hour or two is very good, but because of so much work, etc., we may not be able to do it. But within 8 hours, if you don't revise, there's a good chance that you will forget that thing. I always joke to my students that if you can't revise it in 8 hours, then do 480 minutes, because that is also 8 hours. So that's how it is. It's a very enjoyable process of Vedic maths, memory development, etc. And it's a process of constant improvement. Yeah, I have improved my memory a lot in the last few years. I look forward to improve more and more. I will not say now I'm growing old, so I will stop. I will never stop. 30, 40 years from now, my memory will be far better. That is the positive attitude I would like everyone to have. Yeah. Any questions from you?
Thank you, Minu. Wonderful. We have many people asking their day.
Yes.
We have a lot of people on chat box asking what day they were born.
Sure.
So I will I can't take all, but I will take some.
Yeah.
Somebody asking, I think Meru is saying 25th October 1951.
25th October 51. 1 second.
What is the day?
Yeah. Thursday.
Hope it's right. If it is right, Meru, you can write on the chat box that this was right. Okay, we have a next person, Jyoti, asking her date of birth is 18th June 65.
18 June 65. Friday.
Alright, Jyoti, if it is correct, please reply on chat box. And we have many more. Let me come up at least couple of more. Nina asking 30th November 1984.
30th November 84. Again, it's a Friday.
Okay, good. Nina, please try to reply if it is correct or not correct, whatever, try to reply to the chat box. Aruna is asking 9th December 1972.
9 December 72. Saturday.
Alright, Aruna, I hope it's a correct answer. You can reply on chat box. Thank you for asking. We have some more. I'll take a couple of more. Deepa asking 18th, 18/9/69. That is
18 September.
18th August. So September.
September.
18th September 69.
Thursday. Happy birthday to
Okay.
Deepa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I think it's fine. Let me see. Okay, we have many more. Srinivasan asking 13th December 1958.
I'm sorry, 13 or 30?
13, 1-3.
1-3?
13th December 58.
Okay. Saturday.
Alright, Mr. Srinivasan, if it is correct, please reply. Either way, just reply. Okay, thank you. We have a few more. I'll just take a couple of more. Bharat is asking 25th of August 72. What's the day?
25th August 72.
21st.
21st. I'm sorry.
21st August 72.
Okay. Monday.
Alright, Bharat, I hope it's correct. Jyoti asking 9th December 69.
9 December 69. Tuesday.
Alright, we have many more. I think we will not take. Okay, I'll take one or two more. Alka ji is asking 18th June 63.
Tuesday.
Alright, great. So, see, whenever we have done this show with you, Minu, it has been always right. It has been always correct. So, I believe these are the right answers and right days.
Ji, sir.
Many of you may not know your day, so you can check out the Minu. We are here for some more time. As Minu and we were discussing, we thought we should have some surprise in today's program, and we should have some traditional, something very, cultural information regarding concentration memory. So I thought we will have somebody giving us insight what yoga sutras or Gita traditionally mentions about concentration memory. So I will
Yes, sir.
invite Anvita